All right. What's up, team? Dang, I'm tired. Happy New Year. What did you guys do for New Year's? Welcome back to another episode of Chill Hangs or Cool Hangs, whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys are doing well. In this episode, we're going to be shooting some black and white, getting to know Arty a little bit, and seeing what's in his camera bag. So let's get into it. All right, what's up, boys? Back at it again out here. Dude, I should have brought sunglasses.
Yeah, it's looking bright.
Yeah. Noguchi Garden. You never been here? I thought I brought you here before. But... let's load up some film, yeah? Let's load up some film. I'm gonna be shooting black and white today. CInestill BWXX, 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 BW. Anyways, I'm gonna be shooting on the 35mm Leica M-A, and then my buddy Arty is gonna be shooting on the most expensive Instax camera of the entire world. Yo, what's in your camera bag? What are we rocking with today?
I'm just kidding. All right, let's check it out.
First of all, who are you?
My name is Arty Morale on IG, YouTube, Twitter, MySpace. You know the deals.
Yes, sir.
What's in my camera bag? I got an Rb67. Let me check it out.
Is that what you're shooting with today?
Yes, sir. Rb67 with the Fuji film Instax pack called the Binstax for the RB. You know, you gotta get the down low view.
You. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a beauty. Made for studios, but we're shooting it out, instant film, completely disregarding the point of medium format film.
How long have you had this one?
About 6 months. I'm still getting used to it.
Nice.
That's what we're out here doing, testing, learning, making photos,
nice.
Finding photos.
And we're here at the Noguchi Garden right here. See what we get. Look at the harsh lighting. We'll see what's up. Also, Arty Morale is a certified film dealer. So, if he got the goods, just holler. Yeah?
A little overexposed.
Oh shoot, this is crazy.
Maybe I can drop down a little bit.
Medium format Instax over here. The most expensive Instax camera on the market. 1.8, let's go 1.4. Close it up, that shoots. Alright, let me see what I can do here. Let's go F6, 5.6. Ready, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna shoot something off to the distance. Just so I don't look at the sun.
I have the
Oh shoot, that is sick. Nice. Don't get on the triangle because they get pissed, but maybe 1 foot over the gap. Yeah, yep. 3, 2, 1. I think I got it. Yeah. Or hella bright, whatever. Look at this rock right here. What's up, team? We're shooting another video with our boy Arty Morale. Look at that.
Instax.
The most expensive Instax camera in the world. Stay tuned. Corporate lifestyle.
Let's see what we get over here. Dang.
Got that guy. You know.
Nice. The colors
You
look
see the
good.
separation though?
Yeah,
I like it.
looks good.
This one's still exposing, and then this one still not yet. But
Nice.
Nope.
Those are sick. I like them.
I still had some shots in the camera, so definitely wanted to go check out a different spot. We walked down to the art museum center right there by the Sigerstrom Performing Arts Center. And here's what I got.
So now we're across the street from Noguchi Garden. Noguchi Garden's behind that building over there. And we're going over here now. I want to shoot that wall in the front. Oh, yeah, right here. I want you to block this this area right here. So come closer to me. Come to this line right here. I'm just gonna get like the top half of you and then kind of go. Yeah, right there. That's cool. Power stands, that's tight right there. Actually, 1, 2, and 3. Dope. I think that was sick. I love this wall. It's pretty dope. Freaking noise.
the only thing with the distance, is the distance, you know. Still being able to capture what What focal length are you on? 35?
35, yeah. I've been on 28, 35, 50, but right now I like the 35 again.
You have the Voigtlander.
Yeah, the Voigtlander. It's just the regular, the second version, 1.4, and it's pretty sick. Oh, the scope bar. Yeah. Love it. Yeah. Love it. The cigarettes from
Yeah, so you guys should definitely hit it up on your lunch break or after work or something like that. Both areas are pretty much walking distance from each other. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for the next one where I get to test out the Rb67. If you haven't seen the last couple of videos, check out the page, do your thing. So stay tuned for the next one. Should be coming up pretty soon since I shot them both the same day.